Out at the entrance of the cave.
It's a new cave because they discovered like 10 years ago.
For this trip we need a tour guide. He will help us.
It's only 16 kilometers, so we can easily walk back and forth. Just
easy.
Yeah.
Let's
go.
Starting from the village, the cave is accessible by a 45 minutes walk or 10 minutes ride. For general knowledge, this is the second longest cave in Laos. As we mentioned before, it's over 16 kilometers long and there are still some side passages remaining unexplored, so it still could be a great opportunity for your next expedition.
The passage we've done was quite spacious. Generally, it's 20-25 meters wide and 20-30 meters high, so it's enough headspace for everyone.
Hey, you came here for visiting, not for ruining things. You broke your fix, huh?
I'm so sorry. That's what I'm trying to do just now.
I think you're not the first one, because they're under.
Hopefully they wouldn't charge me for that.
If you are an ordinary visitor like us, you can explore only about 4 kilometers, and for everything more advanced, you would need to coordinate with the Lao authorities, as you might need professional gear and permission. There are several climbing parts and slippery river walks unavoidable.
Some local artists have been here. Probably that's the reason why they have to have a guide with you.
Sure.
The cave is through cave and could be entered with exploration equipment from both sides. Probably you can hear already that we're getting close to the water.
Yep.
Let's see how it's
So impressive, huh? We arrived to the point when our journey stops. I was impressed to find the river here.
I knew that it's gonna be here.
I didn't know. That's why I was impressed.
So it's like 1 hour 30 minutes one way. So 3 hours will take in total, maybe a bit shorter.
Let's go down. I hope you're enjoying our athletic skills.
This time I will try to go slow.
We're finally approaching the exit after 2.5 hours of walking. What do you think?
Oh, nice.
Really good.
Don't forget to bring nice torch, torch.
True. The farther you go, the shiny gates also. And we have some more friends. They join us in the cave.
Yeah.
Sabaidi. I would recommend this place, huh?
Yeah, I would say so, yeah. To avoid overheating and to give some well-deserved rest to our scooter, I had to walk up the hill from time to time.
After an impressive amount of huge stalagmites and stalactites formations, we were ready to settle in the village for the night.
After this nice hike inside the cave, we decided to stop actually for the night in this small village. It's really local, really rural.
No restaurants, no guest houses.
Nothing. We found actually one homestay. No water, toilet outside, and
Electricity from 6 in the evening.
probably till 10, I think.
Yeah.
We need to tidy up a little bit because it's quite dirty, so we have right tools here.
I have the wrong one for that, but
It can work as well.
what around us is many locals. We'll just go for a walk and see how people live here.
Probably we will be in their skin tonight. That's how they live, because we have massive room. There'll be 4 of us, another 2 guys, and we'll just sleep all together like a big family.
Yeah, if you want to be local, think like a local.
And behave like a local. That's how they do. That's what you will hear every corner. Sorry for that.
Yeah, but this is every second guy does that. Laos.
Yeah.
Very...
And I'm that second guy as well now. First, second, you see?
kids are afraid of you, huh?
I don't know why, they're just afraid of foreigners, I guess. They don't know that I have some pencils for them. The thing I like about the village, this village, I guess all villages, really alive. You walk around, it's just everywhere, like dogs, kids, everything is moving. It's impressive how everything is made of wood and bamboo, with mostly local materials. We were lucky to have a terrace, so we chilled there for most of the evening. Showtime! As soon as we started propellers, literally every kid from the village ran to see this toy. We were not aware that our drone has a magnetic function. If I was a kid there, I would be the first one in line. I saw my first drone when I was 25, and I was curious in the same way. From the air you can notice that there are no boundaries between the households, and it's one big community.
Yeah, Chin. That's right, yeah. You didn't...
No, I don't drink. So I need to be responsible and take care of this.
Yeah, of everyone.
Yes.
When we get smashed.
Yeah. Oh, the house burns. We have someone who can relax.
What do you think about this, guys? You're in the bungalow, in the village.
That the village that is not even on the Google Maps. There is no road, there is no village.
Yes, yeah. You didn't see the road?
Nothing.
We saw a cock just on the way, and he was able to fly. And I've never seen a chicken or cock before who can fly or which can fly.
What could be better end of the day than sitting next to the bonfire with a good company and a bottle of beer?
I know the answer. Peeing on the charcoal at the end. I just finished to pack the scooter. Andrew, he's checking if we didn't forget anything. He's coming.
It's all clear. It was a lovely stay, quite chill, easy around, it's quite foggy. That's what happened every morning here. The village is awake, everyone is awake, you could hear the music and some speech on the radio. We're ready to hit the road.
Yeah. Our friends, they stay another night. They like this exotic experience.
I mean,
Me too,
I would stay for another night if they had at least water.
Yeah.
Just to, to cook, maybe to make a tea for yourself.
But we don't have much time, so we continue. Attack. Let's turn on this engine. Our pony.
Started.
No, our Mustang. A lot of times during this trip we experience foggy mornings. Usually around 10 or 11 o'clock it disappears completely and the sun comes out. What happened, Chico?
It's our first accident. It's quite foggy here, so we just slept on the corner. We just went straight here.
Yeah, my knee hurts a bit. Slipped my arm. I made a hole in my pants. Not nice. And we were going 20 kilometers. Flashlight on the head again. That means
I want as well.
you need a tape.
Yeah.
Means we're going to another cave.
It was on the way, so we just stop over. Let's see, and quick exploration. Maybe we'll find something wonderful and just something unexpected there.
True story.
Or maybe it'll be just another boring cave. Cave's never boring.
Yeah. It was ridiculously hard to speak with the guy.
Yeah,
We
just with the distance, like.
Or maybe Google Translate sucks with in Lao language.
Ooh la la! So I will start counting our steps, so we know actually how long is the cave.
How many now?
2, 3, 4, 5, But don't distract me. Why?
You've noticed?
That all our guides in the caves are using like some special flip-flops.
Like something anti-slippery ones.
Yeah, no socks, nothing, just flip-flops.
This cave is quite humid. Yeah, but he's walking nice, huh?
Pretty comfy, yeah. It's not his first time here. So we arrived to the dead end, so there's no way. The guide is trying to look for us, maybe the hole just where we can climb, but
No.
it doesn't seem that it works for us. No success, but that was enough. We wanted already to ask for
How far is it going?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is nice walk here.
Yeah.
Let's get back. This was written maybe half a century ago. Wow! Finally finished the... How many minutes we walked?
25 minutes.
25 minutes, so...
Return like an hour, let's say. It's not
But-
that long. It feels longer, but so like 1.5 kilometers, I guess. Yeah, it was a good stop on the way to the border, where we'll get the boat. So we'll carry on.
Hot luck.
Yeah. This scenic road was leading us towards Mekong River and Thai border. The weather is the key on the motorbike, and riding with the sun is priceless. Combination of mountains, forest, rice fields made our ride a pure pleasure. And we hope that you enjoyed this footage as well. Thank you and see you at the border in the next video.